Hey guys, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking, and today I'm here with Mike. We've been working on a table pedestal for his wife. Mike, where did you get the inspiration for this pedestal?
Well, it really came from we couldn't find a table we wanted. So she's asked me if I could build one. And I said, yeah, I think I have enough people that I know that could do it.
Okay.
And so we had some pictures and some diagrams, and she found a photo in a magazine of one like this as a whole table. She goes, can you do that? And I said, let me find out. And so speaking with Andy, who I knew, I said, could you be able to do this? And he goes, yeah, I think we could try it. It would be fun. And so he went ahead and did this, and I guess I've already got the granite tabletop made, and so now we're just waiting to finish up the base and go from there. So
Perfect. Well, now that we've got the prototype done in pine, we're gonna go ahead and switch out to the ash. Let's get to work.